First thing to do is go ahead and come to the side. You're going to use 2 fingers and just kind of pick it up like that. You're going to go ahead and bend that over, move that around, and just pull it out. Again, pop this, pull it out, back and forth, and you're out. Okay, so go ahead and take your new one and you're going to slide in. There's little holes, you just match those up and slide it up and in. We chose A because A has the thicker bar. And so we're gonna go ahead and kind of slide this in, and it doesn't really even snap in much, but just go ahead and put that back down towards the windshield and go ahead and lock it in place. Make sure you have taken off your piece of plastic and then go ahead and test it. And that right there worked exactly how it should. It cleans that window. My other one was pretty broken. You can see it like had completely come off. So that does happen sometime. So get a replacement and fix it pretty easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Have a great day.